Hey guys, this is a completely unscientific, stripped down, watered down version about what I have come to understand about something called the microbiome. And basically the microbiome is the ecosystem of living organisms within a human or animal or plant body. And so for us, the way that I think a lot of people would come to understand it is the idea of the good bacteria that lives inside of us. There are multiple different strains that work together. Some work independently of one another and some depend on one another. And this helps us be happy, healthy, functioning humans. We all need bacteria to eat the bad stuff or help with digestion. And so anyway, so what I've come to see is that it is popping up in all kinds of news stories about how we might be altering our microbiome in ways that we never imagined actually mattered. And that is with the overuse of antibiotics, which means just antibacterial. So it's killing things that are living inside of us that might be bad for us, but at the same time, those medications are killing things that might be good for us. So what I've come to understand is that you just want, instead of freaking out and being like, oh my God, what if I have killed all of my good bacteria? Now what? Do I just take probiotics? My understanding is that you should just be eating a diet that's conducive towards all the living things that we might not have even discovered yet that are inside of our bodies. So instead of doing things that are toxic like smoking or excessive drinking or anything that would kill any kind of it's like, maybe I don't know on a scientific level how smoking kills bacteria or good bacteria, but I know that I want to do things and give my body things that I know are going to feed what could potentially be good bacteria and maybe push out the bad bacteria. It sounds very up in the air. I don't know. I obviously, like I said, I don't have any research that backs this up, but this is just what I've learned. It's my understanding of, if you just happen to be eating a lot of fruit, a lot of plants, lots of hydrating, delicious plants, then you're probably doing okay. And it's like, you don't really have to stress out about how great your microbiome is looking if you're eating in that way. So that's just my 2 cents about the microbiome. I hope it's helpful for anyone who wanted to see the Lucy Beatrix plant head version of the story. I'm sure I'm going to learn more and maybe write something about this in the future, but that's just what I know about it and my little takeaway of the day. So keep eating a lot of delicious plants, and I'll see all of you plant heads later.